So this, my screen is visible to everyone.
हाँ जी.
Okay. So more the active participation will give you the more result. So try to be more active and ask even you have any silly question in your mind. So welcome once again to all. So actually we will today we will have the basic discussion regarding the stock market. So what exactly is the stock market is? So stock market is a place where one person can buy a stock of any company which is listed there, and when he feels he is in profit or his stop loss has been triggered, he sells those stocks either in profit or in a loss. So now the question is coming in our mind, from where these stocks are coming, correct?
हाँ जी.
That's true.
That's so. So whenever some plants are starting, so at the starting those companies are doing business at a very low level. But once their business is growing and they are finding more and more opportunities in the market where they feel that there are more opportunities which they can acquire or which they can capture. So what they at that time they have the two options. Option number one, sorry, not two, three options. Option number one, they put money from their own pockets to the business. Second option will be they took the loan from the bank where they need to pay some interest.
That's
And
true.
the third option is coming through the IPO.
Yes.
So in IPO, they need to provide their balance sheets and everything to our SEBI, which is the governing body to this stock markets. So whenever any new company is coming into the market, they want to grow their business. They bring this IPO, and then the shares of those particular companies are getting listed into our stock markets. So we have two major exchanges. One is the NSE, National Stock Exchange, and the second one is the BSE, Bombay Stock Exchange. So this is how the shares are coming into the market. Now, see, share market, if we consider it, then share market can be opportunity for wealth creation also. We might have listened many stories. XYZ people have invested 1 lakh rupees in XYZ stock, and today it has become 1 crore or 5 crore rupees. So stock market is an opportunity for wealth creation also, but it also carries the risk. If you are not tracking your positions or you will not follow your systems, when to exit. See, buying a stock is very easy. Someone will call you or someone send you a message, buy XYZ stock at XYZ price. But if you are not able to exit the position, whether in a profit or whether in a small loss, then that could become a big risk also. And this risk is dependent on the many factors, like the volatility in the market, economic cycles. Some stocks are trading based on the cycles. If you see in last time, Modi government is giving more focus on railway, power sector, and infrastructure. So if you see since last 5 to 7 years, the stock of this particular sectors has become 5x, 10x. Means if someone has invested 5 lakhs rupees in particular stocks related to the railway, infra, or power sector, that could become 10 lakhs today. So we need to follow the economic cycle also, where the focus of the government or the focus of the individual consumer is going on. If government is focusing on the railway, and if we are doing investment into some other sector like pharmaceuticals, then we will not get the benefit of the economic cycle, which government or individual people are thinking. Like in the era of corona, most of the pharma stocks become 10x, 20x in no time, because that time the demand was of pharma sector. So we need to be live with our market trend, where the more focus of the peoples are going on. So this is the basic introduction of stock market. So hope up to here everyone is clear. If anyone has any doubts, be active and ask more and more questions. now this is the basic problem actually why Indian peoples are avoiding to do the investment in the stock market. This we can say the myth or the kalpanik katha. So this all we listen from our guardians and parents. So these four things stop people to invest into the stock market. So number one is a stock market is a gamble. Still many people in India believes in this only. That is why they are staying away from the stock market. But it is not like that. Stock market is a source of generating the passive income. You can make your money to work for you, whether you are sleeping or whether you are enjoying your vacation. If you have invested your money into the stock market, your money will work for you. You need not to work for the money. So this is the first myth regarding the stock market, that it is a gamble. Next myth is that stock market is exclusively for the expert. Only expert people can make money from the stock market, but it is not like that. If you put some efforts means hardly 45 days dedicatedly, you can become an expert of stock market. Earlier it was there when this various internet facilities and the various tools were not available. That time this stock market was exclusively for the experts. But now we have most of the tools where we can get all the information on a one click. So now it is not okay in current scenario. The third one is the only money can money can be made when you are doing the big amount of money as an investment. It was okay in the earlier era when mutual fund and other schemes were not there. But now we have various schemes where we can start investing into the stock market in a small amount also. So even investing in mutual fund is also going directly to the stock market. And the people with the small amount of SIP of 1,000, 2,000 rupees can make 20 lakhs, 50 lakhs or 1 crore. I can give you a simple example. If you doing SIP of 10 lakhs rupees for 20 years, you will be able to make more than 75 lakhs. So even small money can make big money. And the last is that high risk means high return. So what people are doing actually when these bull runs are running, then people are searching for many penny stock. Penny stock means the stock of 5 rupees, 10 rupees, and there will be a story in newspaper or in YouTube or in some news channel. By this 5 rupees stock, this will become 100 rupees, 150 rupees, 200 rupees. So what people are thinking, अरे जाएगा तो क्या जाएगा, 5 रुपया जाएगा. But I will make 5 lakh rupees into 1 crore rupees. So unless and until you are not sure about the fundamental of the stock, this high risk and high return story will be there. So now I will present a scary thing about the stock market. Can someone read it loudly? So it will come in your mind.
Yes. This one, 90-90-90 rule.
Yeah.
This 90% of the traders
Yeah.
lost 90% of their capital within the first 90 days of account opening.
So scary
What does
one.
it mean?
What happens when actually whenever a new trader come into the market? See now Indian market is booming, and most of the new people are coming into the market, but they are not coming in the market with doing the. They are coming just market, and they are not doing any personal study or they are not doing any technical analysis or fundamental analysis, and they blindly follow someone. कि भाई भूपेंद्र भाई ने बोला ये स्टॉक ले लो, उसने ले लिया. फिर भूपेंद्र भाई को अगर इतना श्योर था कि दिस स्टॉक विल बिकम 2x, भूपेंद्र भाई कैन गो टू अ बैंक एंड टेक ए लोन, पर्सनल लोन ऑफ 1 crore rupees and can invest. Why he is doing the charity? So what happened when bull run is coming there, and new investors, those new investors coming into the market, they are following many YouTube channel, various news channels, and various small news of such things. And ultimately what happens? 90% of their capital,
Within 90 days,
they wipe up.
yes.
So my humble request to all the members joined in the today's session, don't jump to buy a stock. first make your system ready.
Mhm.
Make your system ready.
Mhm.
After getting your system ready, then only start trading. Indian market is not going
Right.
to close tomorrow. It will be long even
Mhm.
for next 2 generations. So
Hmm.
first make your system ready, make your strategy ready, do the
Uh-huh.
proper analysis, then only start investing.
Right.
The scary one, but this is the fact, and then everyone come to that particular point. First one, stock market is a gamble.
Yes.
मैंने तो देखा था, मैंने तो लिया था,
Huh.
गैम्बल है, लोगों ने मुझे उल्लू बना दिया और मेरा सारा पैसा ले लिया. So this is the scary one, but this is the fact of the stock market. So my humble request till now, if you are following anyone as a recommender who is recommending you the stock to buy and sell, try to stop that and develop your own system. For developing your system, I am here. I will not provide you any kind of tip to anyone in the compounding funda. I am helping people to develop their own system by which they are able to find out the right stock at right price and do the trading.
Right.
So if you are not ready for taking the trade on your own confidence, please ignore taking trade unless and until you are getting ready. Otherwise, after sometimes you will come to me with point number one. Stock market is gamble, sir, and I lost lot of. Now we will discuss regarding the various kind of trading. So basically,
Pardon?
yeah,
Hello.
yeah, yes, sir. I'm not
Yeah.
getting your voice. Jitendra sir,
Your
are you
voice is cracking.
uh, now it is clear?
Hello.
Yeah, now it's clear.
Yes, clear.
Okay. So there are four type of trading in the in our not in India but everywhere the people follow these four kind of trading. First one is the intraday trading. This trading is dedicatedly for the people who fully dependent on the stock markets. Those do their bread and butter with the stock markets. So what they do, they sit in front of screen full the time from morning 9:15 up to 3:30. They will be in front of screen and they take position very fast and they close their position very fast. They take benefit of 1% or 1.5% also. So this is first one is the intraday trading where people are running on a short cycle. They buy in the morning or and by the end of the day they close their position. Second and third is the trading strategies or trading techniques for the peoples like us who are doing some business or some work. And apart from that, we want to grow our money through the investing. So there are two short-term strategies are there. One is known as swing trading. Second one is known as the positional trading. So swing trading is what happens. People identify the some list of stock which are doing trading in a particular range. For example, one stock is trading in the range of 80 rupees to 120 rupees. So people just monitor those kind of stocks. They make a list. So whenever those particular stocks come near to the 80, they used to buy those stocks and then they keep that position open unless and until they get the stock again at 120 rupees. So they again sell at 120 rupees. Then again they will wait for stock to come near to the 80 rupees. So they identify some stock and they do the trading in between those swings and they make money. And apart from making money, they used to do their regular activities, their jobs, their business, whatever activities they are doing for their bread and butter. And by doing this swing trading, they are generating some money for their futures or for their other requirements, fulfillment of other requirements. Next one is the positional trading. We find many of the stocks uh, after giving a good result, those stocks start to move very fast. So the people used to catch such a movement, and then they took position in those particular stock as per their strategies. They have the various strategies. I will help you out to make strategies which I am following, and we will refine it according to your risk appetite. In such kind of trading, people buy stock and hold that position unless and until that particular stock is not giving the exit. Exit means when stock is started to move downtrend, they catch at the bottom, and unless and until it is going up and up, they keep their position open. And once they find that now it is saturation has come, they book their profit and spare their money for another position. And the last one is the long-term portfolio building. It is kind of mutual fund. If people are having low amount of money and they cannot buy many stocks, they prefer to go for the mutual fund. But if you have sufficient amount of money to invest in the market, like 50,000 or 1 lakh rupees every month, then you can replace your mutual fund with long-term portfolio. But it is, again, I am telling, unless and until you are not sure on the fundamental part, don't stop your mutual fund investment. Once you find yourself capable enough and you have your own confidence that now I can switch my portfolio from mutual fund to the long-term portfolio building, then only go for this. Otherwise, keep your mutual fund investment as it is and parallelly learn how to generate your long-term portfolio. Up to here, everyone is clear? Anyone has any doubt?
If some stocks we trade it and it go down, then
Yeah.
the nominal price of 80, let's
Yeah.
say I taken the stock at 80,
Yeah.
and it go down to 60, 48, 50. What should we do in that case? We should hold back or just book a loss on that?
So what we are doing, sir, that we have defined our strategies when to buy a stock.
Yes.
And we have
Okay.
developed some indicators which I will provide you the access as
Okay.
all you are not aware with the TradingView and other software. So today,
Okay.
after this, we will go for TradingView, basic awareness of TradingView. And once you will be ready with your TradingView accounts, I will
Okay.
provide you the system. By seeing the chart only, you will find that now I have to exit. Whether I am making loss of 2% or 5%, I
Yeah.
will not wait that stock become half. I had bought at 80 rupees, and now we have system like that. If you bought a stock at 80, next to
Yeah.
next by 75, that signal will be come in your screen that was
Okay.
now out of this stock, otherwise you are going to lose more.
Okay. Fine.
So
Done.
we provide you that strategies where to buy and where to exit, even in the profit also, even in the loss also.
Perfect.
How to
Perfect.
cut your loss fast, that system will also be, access will be given to you.
Fine.
So up to
Perfect.
here, any questions or any doubt furthermore?
No, it's okay. It's okay.
Okay. So now most important thing is this. Now see, these are the basic requirements to be pro trader or be a smart trader or be a profitable trader. So first and the most important thing is positive mindset. If you don't have positive mindset, you are surrounded with the people who have generated lot of loss in the stock market. So they will stop you to go into the stock market. So you must have a community of the positive mindset pupils who can encourage you. Boss, come into the market. I will suggest you the good stock, and not I will suggest you a strategy by which you will be able to generate good profit. So you need to be surrounded with the positive mindset people. And as you have joined the compounding funda, so you are become member of that community. Currently we have very small group of people. We have only 45 members, but all are the active members. So currently we have small, but all are with positive mindset. Then next
Okay.
thing, you must aware with the technical analysis. Technical analysis means the proper reading of the chart, and this chart reading cannot be teachable. When you after this session, I will help you out how to open account in TradingView, and once you will be open your account, you need to do the detailed chart reading every day open 50, 60 or 100 charts. Initially, you will take too much time. For one chart, you will take 3 to 5 minutes. But once you will do the practice, your eye will give you signal, boss, this stock need to buy, and this is going to be rocket soon. So this needs the more practice on the technical part. And I am very sure fundamentals come into the picture afterwards. The movement in a stock start by the people who know the internals of the companies. So when someone knows internals of the company, they buy stock or they start to buy stock prior to the news come into the market. So the technical analysis give you the indication before any fundamental change come into the organization. So everyone in the compounding funda must have to be expert into the technical part. Fundamental you will come to know by default. And when everyone will know the fundamental analysis or fundamental change in the organization, the people who have started to accumulate this stock at the bottom, as per their internal information, they will sell those stock when the fundamental change will come. And then we will do the analysis. अरे यार कंपनी ने इतना अच्छा रिजल्ट दिया उसके बाद भी स्टॉक क्यों 10% गिर गया? Because the people who know this company is going to good result, they buy those stock prior to us. So the technical analysis is the most important part. Then fundamental analysis I will also teach in our regular sessions every Sunday, which the sessions we are conducting, and every Wednesday at 9:30 also we are doing the session for our members. And the last one is to the selection of stock, which stock to be buy. See, you become expert in your technical analysis, you become expert in your fundamental analysis. But which stock to be buy? We have the horizon of 8,000 stock. So from 8,000 stock, which stock to buy? That is also important. For that also, we are providing our scanner in our website also. So access of that website also will be given to you. I will share the link to all the members. And after this session, just do the sign up. And in next session, we will discuss how to use that particular scanner. Up to here, anyone has any or any doubt?
No.
Okay. So this is the last slide. What is the benefit of stock market? So the first benefit is a potential of high return compared to any other asset class. So the best benefit of this particular stock market, you can take any assets, whether it is gold, whether it is property, whether it is your FD or any bond purchase or your insurance, whatever it will be. If you have the proper analysis, you can generate multiple return compared to that particular asset class. So the first benefit of this investment in stock market is potential of high return. Second is a source of dividend income. Many stocks or many companies are giving the regular dividend. Most of our government companies are giving dividend more than 10 to 12% of the stock price, which is better than your 6% FD. Third benefit of this is the high liquidity. See, stock market has a high liquidity. If you have invested in a home, you cannot sell overnight and you cannot again buy overnight. But in stock market, you can buy in the morning, you can sell in the evening, and you can generate money. So the good benefit is that high liquid and more flexible investment kind of thing. And you need not to go anywhere. You can do it from your mobile itself. Here you have the possibility of diversification also. If you are doing any business, you have to be stick with one business only. But when you are going for investment, you can do investment in many sectors. You can do investment in infra also. You can do investment in technology companies also. You can do investment in consumer goods also. So wherever you want, if you are doing any business, you are limited to one kind of sector. But when you are doing investment, you can diversify your business. Ultimately, when we are buying a share, we are becoming owner of that particular company. Whether we are 0.0001%, but we are owner. So we can diversify our business also. And the last one is the participation in the economic growth. So wherever the economy will start to move, we can take our position in those particular sector, and then we can multiple our revenue. And when those particular sectors are going to deperform, we can exit and we can catch another sector. The same we cannot do with our business or our job. So that is the benefit of this. Up to here, anyone has any doubt?
No.
Okay.
No.
Yes,
Yeah, ma'am.
I think gold can be in the